My name is Leanne Schmidt. I work at CoastView Veterinary Hospital, and I've been working here for 5 years now. I started in 2018. What I love most about being a vet tech is advocating for the patient. I'm very passionate about behavioral health. CoastView Veterinary Hospital is the first hospital that I've worked at that has a fully integrative approach to medicine, in the sense that we honor the physical needs and we address the physical needs of the patient while also addressing the emotional needs of the patient. We're making modifications in the moment to make them feel less stressed, more comfortable, with the ultimate goal of them wanting to come back to the veterinary practice. I think that there's always going to be questions or conversations with the company you work for, but what's really important is that company receptive to those conversations? Do they want to hear the feedback? Do they want to hear your opinions? Do they care about you as an individual and not just as a hospital? That has been my experience with Companion. They're very accessible. If I have questions about protocols or policies, I can reach out to someone who can either answer that question for me or direct me to the appropriate person. They make themselves readily available. Companion has supported me as a veterinary technician, a registered veterinary technician, in that they honor my knowledge, my skills, and value me for what I bring to the table. There is underutilization of veterinary technicians in this field, and it's a disservice to patient care, and it's a disservice to the business when you don't utilize your RVTs in a way that they should be used. In this space, I feel like I have autonomy, it's collaborative, and I'm respected for my licensure. I've also expressed a desire to pursue my veterinary technician specialty in behavior, and my hospital manager has granted me space to log my hours, to make sure I have mentorship, to make sure I have the support that I need to meet that goal. I would tell someone who's interested in working at a Companion hospital that they shouldn't be afraid of corporate medicine. There's a lot of talk about how that functions. Companion's approach is very different, in the sense that they are actively listening to their employees, they are prioritizing mental health, and they're invested in the growth and development of their employees. And that's something that sets them apart from other corporations, in my experience, and from what I've heard from some of my colleagues in the field. Animals are so much a part of our families now, and practicing at CoastView reminds me of that every day. People seek this hospital because of how we treat their animals. I love being part of that. I love experiencing that. And I will continue to advocate for all of my patients and be a part of that bond with their family.